Good afternoon, I'm Alex from Fontaine Motors and this is our Audi S3 Sportback Black Edition RV18FYC. I'm going to show you around this car in detail, but I'm going to do this ever so slightly differently today for the simple reason that there is one person who is absolutely pestering me to get this video done and sent over to them, so I'm taking the video before the car is quite ready. It's only a few little things we have to do on the car. There are 2 wheels to refurbish, there's a little door dent, a small scuff that we got all booked to have repaired already, but I suppose in some ways nice to see exactly what we're doing on the car, how it's being prepared, and also very much how the man who bought the car from took care of it, in that the marks on it are very small. He's actually taken really nice care of the car, clearly enjoyed it, clearly proud of it. We're just doing some small things to make it 100%. So, general look around front end there. Navarra blue metallic, very pretty colour, particularly in the sun. It looks great. Fit and finish are lovely, but if I go in super close, so I've got the phone probably 15 centimetres from the bonnet now, you can see, if you go in that close, there are some very fine skin chips. Nothing unsightly, nothing I guess you'd call damage, but they are there. Moving on to front bumper that also presents nicely. Fit and finish, paint look great. The little scuff I mentioned, you can see it's just on the underside of that corner of the bumper there. It's only a small thing, but that's already booked to be repaired. The paint overall is lovely. Again, it's just very fine chips. Headlamps bright and clear, plastic of the grills all looks good, nothing cracks that I can see. Audi actually call the finish on these titanium black. If you catch it in the light, you can see it's sort of, it's not black, it's actually like a sparkly pearl grey. Nice little detail. Moving to the near side of the car, so I'm down nice and low. I'll move my phone around just so you can watch the reflections, but the paint looks good, the alignment looks good, and I don't see any dents to mention to you on that side of the car. Near side front wheel, this is already booked to be refurbished. As you can see, there are there's a couple of patches where the lacquer picked up a chip or something and gone milky. Very recent front brake discs, red brake calipers on this car, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres. That one's got in excess of 6mm of tread on, it's very fresh. All nice along the sill, no damage there. No damage on the door mirror. Near side front door looks really good too. Door panel, brushed aluminium inlays in this car. Super Sport seats in black Navarra leather with contrast diamond stitched, pale grey diamond stitching. And electric lumbar adjust. This side rear door there. Door panel. Seat back. View over the rear seats, all looking good back there. No marks, stains, dents, damage on the roof, that all looks bright and clear. Painted the quarter panel looks nice. near side rear wheel there. There's only, say, it's a couple of tiny marks on those, so we wouldn't be refurbishing that one just because the marks on it are so small. I don't think it's justified. We are, however, replacing the rear discs and pads with brand new, and you've got their matching Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyre again with in excess of 6mm of tread. Round to the back of the car. Tailgate and bumper look great. The rear glass is nice and clear. Paint on the tailgate spot on. No scratching around the handle. Boot trims and carpets in good condition, showing only light signs of use. You do get an actual spare wheel with an S3 of this age. And then down to the rear bumper. So paint to the rear bumper and the valance look good. Exhaust tailpipe trims look good too, actually. So as you probably know if you know S3s, they do suffer a little with pitting, but these ones are lovely and bright and present themselves really nicely. Moving now to the offside. Again, down low, moving around so you can see, but alignment is good, paint's spot on, there's no dents to mention. Nice and clean inside the fuel door. Paint of the quarter also looks good. As it does on the sill. Offside rear door there. Door panel. Seat back. Rear seat. Headrests in the back present and correct. Offside front door. No damage on the door mirror. Door panel. So you've got control there for the folding and dimming door mirrors. Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade on this car. Flat bottom steering wheel. And leather on that is nice and satin in appearance. It's not worn or scratched or shiny. You've also got really nice looking leather on the gear lever, centre armrest, and I'll go nice and slow on the driver's seat. You can see how little wear there is. It's in really good condition. Do like super sport seats on these. They are a really nice looking seat. Good support when you're pressing on, but also still plenty comfortable. They're not so narrow you can't wear your winter coat in them. Engine bay clean and tidy. This car is standard, it's not modified. Let's jump in and start it up. I should have fished the key out of my pocket before I said that, shouldn't I? Anyway, also I'm finding that 48,065 miles on this car. An oil and inspection service is included. A Haldex oil change is included. And yes, those will be recorded on the Audi digital service record, so you can see them in the My Audi app. Virtual cockpit on this car, part of technology pack, working as it should, as does everything else on the MMI display. So we've got DAB, it's already got the music sources there. Smartphone interface, that supports both of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. we go into the drive select screen. You'll see there you've got the control for magnetic ride control, the mag ride damper, so you can make the suspension a little softer, little stiffer, as suits your taste, road conditions, how you like to drive. Front and rear parking sensors on this car. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats, already blowing nice and cool, and it smells fresh, as does the interior. There's no indication we've had pets or a smoker in this car. Heated front seats there too. Did I mention Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade? We have Bang & Olufsen speaker upgrade, if I hadn't already mentioned it. And there we go. I hope you found that video tour to have been helpful. If it has brought any questions to mind, if you'd like to discuss finance, a part exchange, if there's something I've missed, or if you'd like to book a viewing in person, do let us know. Thanks very much indeed.